Wait for me, okay? I'll come back to meet our kitten.
I love you both. I'll come back, I promise.
Finally, he's gone. Now I can do whatever I want.
Hey, babe. He's finally gone. You can come over now.
On my way, babe. Be there in a minute.
You deserve better, and I think you know that.
Then show me.
He's a fool for leaving you alone like this.
I know his loss.
I miss you so much. I just hope I make it back in time to meet our baby.
You did amazing out there. You must be exhausted. Maybe I can help you relax.
No, I can't. I love my wife. She's waiting for me with our baby.
Your wife is really lucky to have you. Not many cats are this loyal these days. I'll let you get some rest.
My husband told me to get whatever I need, and I definitely need these.
You're okay, just breathe. We're taking you to the hospital now.
Please call my husband!
What? Really? She's having the baby? I'm on my way. Don't worry, my love. I'm coming for you. Nothing's stopping me. I'm getting to them.
You're so beautiful. I've been waiting so long to meet you.
I have to find them. Which room are they in?
She's perfect. She got the best of both of us. Good thing she looks more like me.
Obviously.
No, this can't be real. I trusted her, and she betrayed me.
I won't let them get away with this. I'll make them regret it.
Hey, little one. You're coming with me.
They have no idea what's coming.
I wish things were different. I'm so sorry. I never thought I'd be capable of doing something like this. Why do I feel like this? No, I can't.
What have I done?